Today we talk about how can you trade on your FxPro app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on trade here down. When you just click here on trade, then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here, and here can you pay or sell here. Just click here on pay this here, then you click here on this point now. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you choose payment method in this list on your app. So then you click here on continue here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking